Small language models, SLMs. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for Small Language Models SLMs, Beginner Level Introduction. Small language models, SLMs, are AI models designed to understand and generate human language, but with smaller size, lower cost, and faster performance compared to large models. Language models are used in chatbots, text generation, code assistance, translation, search systems. While large language models, LLMs, are powerful, they can be expensive, slow, resource-heavy. SLMs solve this by being check, lightweight, faster, efficient, easier to deploy. Examples include on-device AI assistants, small chatbots, edge AI systems, embedded applications. This topic helps beginners understand efficient AI models for real-world use. What are small language models, SLMs? Small language models, SLMs, are compact AI models trained to process and generate text efficiently. In simple words, SLM equals a smaller, faster version of a language AI model. A beginner view includes text understanding, text generation, question answering, language tasks, lightweight AI deployment, SLM versus LLM, simple comparison, feature, SLM, LLM, size, small, very large, speed, fast, slower, cost, low, high, deployment, easy, mobile edge, requires powerful GPUs, accuracy, moderate, very high. SLMs are useful because not all applications need huge models. Many systems require fast responses. Edge devices have limited resources. SLMs help by running on mobile devices, reducing infrastructure cost, providing faster responses, supporting offline AI. Basic components of SLMs: component purpose, input text, data given to the model, tokenization, break text into smaller units, model weights, learned patterns, output text, generated response. Example of text, input text equals AI is powerful. Example of simple text processing, text equals hello AI. Words equals text.split, print words. Simple SLM example Python. Def small model response. If hello in text.lower, return hi, how can I help? Else, return I am a simple model. Print, small model response, hello. This mimics a basic lightweight AI system. How small language models work. Step 1. Input text. Input text. What is AI? Step 2. Tokenization tokens equals input text.split. Print tokens. Step 3. Process text. If AI in input text, print AI detected. Step 4. Generate output. Print AI stands for artificial intelligence. SLM in chatbots. SLMs power lightweight chatbots. MSG equals help. If MSG equals help, print, how can I assist you? SLMs run on phones. Command equals open app. If command equals open app, print app opened. SLM in edge devices. SLMs run on IoT devices. Voice command equals turn on light. If voice command equals turn on light, print light turned on. SLM in text classification. SLMs classify text quickly. This is great. If great in text, print positive sentiment. SLM in search systems. SLMs improve search relevance. Query equals AI basics. Print showing results for query. Full menu-based SLM example. Def chatbot. Input message. If hello in text.lower, print hi. Elif AI in text.lower, print AI is artificial intelligence. Else, print I don't understand. Def classify. Text equals input. Enter text. If good in text, print positive. Else, print neutral negative. Def command. CMD equals input enter command. If CMD equals open, print opening system. Else, print unknown command. While true, print N1 chatbot. Print 2 classify text. Print. 3. Execute command. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, chatbot. Elif choice equals 2, classify. Elif choice equals 3, command. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid option. Coming. NLP basics, tokenization, text generation, lightweight AI systems, edge AI deployment, efficient computation. Real-life analogy. SLMs are like a small but fast assistant. They may not know everything, but they check, respond quickly, handle common tasks, work efficiently. Ways to improve an SLM project. Use pre-trained small models, Distilbert, TinyGPT, optimize models, quantization, pruning. Deploy on mobile devices, use edge computing, improve datasets, add fine-tuning, build real applications, integrate APIs. Common mistakes beginners make. X. Expecting LLM-level intelligence, ignoring limitations, using SLM for complex tasks, not optimizing performance, poor dataset quality. Where SLMs are used. Mobile apps, chatbots, IoT devices, smart assistants, search systems, embedded systems, customer support, offline AI tools. Large systems may include edge AI platforms, lightweight NLP models, real-time AI applications. Simple definition. Small language models, SLMs, lightweight AI models that understand and generate language efficiently with lower resource usage. Final summary. SLMs provide a fast, efficient, and practical way to use AI in real-world systems. They enable low-cost AI deployment, fast responses, edge computing, scalable solutions. By learning SLMs, beginners understand how to build efficient and deployable AI systems.